Hi, I previously asked you a question. Regress the Samsung Washer AC6 error code. I replaced the main control board, interface board, and door latch, and the AC6 error code still comes on.
Hello, and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be the one to assist you. Sorry to hear that you are still having this trouble. The site is going to send an automatic phone call offer. It is not for me. Please disregard the offer. I am not available via the phone. The error code meaning itself is communication error between the main PCB, user interface control board, or the inverter PCB. Possible causes for a Samsung Washing Machine AC6 error code: loose wire connections at the main PCB user interface control board, or last but not least the inverter PCB. The main PCB is defective. The user interface is defective. The inverter PCB is defective. So with that being said, the only other possibility is going to be the inverter board. This is why I have never cared for Samsung's too many boards, too many problems, and no way to verify. Sadly, https://www.searspartsdirect.com/product/24JIDSTN6X0026401/IDC92015331C.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.